Lam đây. Lama. Lam thêm. Hôm nay nó sẽ
Desa to agak sini jak. Wansani mesti mereka karena mereka.
Chini bakal kem nang ya.
Nang ya.
Wansani bakal sekali.
Kem tahu. Direct
Abo kem withdraw lagi telang.
Tapi direct kem sana. Murila.
Har leksa sore sore. Nang ni.
Ini saja biasa api. Ima ayat jaga megara ini.
Ini hengrang ada ya.
Nah, dikit ini tidak. Minister ram itu nanti.
Minister bukan tu.
Tidak. Im tidak nang. Di sarta ini ima nyandong. Badarek center kulit.
Amata kaya tulok mi kapay kukut kam sama kamatay ni ituan sinbaling kam sangding kam gamay kumol kam so mamatay paite cuk mi kapayan na ano makana ima tetag hi ay ramrinin hi bosamati kathisen sulki dete kathil terang nambaw law damro na cuk makam gan amro atitak na ta lo sama tiren ke tisen sulgin hi ai ram di ne tiam te ne ta
translator sama nih ke tabuk je thinai ani babu bosawo chini Nukhungno bono joto kisu samung khainai karena ka ani ama to bocukliya bini yakung bahamya সমস্ত যে ফ্যামিলি নি যেহেতু ফ্যামিলি হেড angmaba bon joto kisu a to z samung khai to engke tabuk to yang chini family boro ama babu semis tongo boro khorang nai se mane bortoman
ang oros poi thong nang amrago rata thang ani classmate nodin ani classmate joto ani bondhu soro Mary ठीक है मेरी ना लो मेरे से अच्छा सर ओ जो फोन खलाएगा और आप सर तो malang सर बिदारे तुम के पास ini nengwe kayak mana baik itu तो हम लोग ini सर
Today I have visited Mantrilal Kaipeng family is under Lt.Mantrilal PS. After coming this place, I was really shocked. Such an interior place. Mantrilal Kaipeng is having his wife and also son and 3 daughters. They are very poor family. They are BPL family. On behalf of the government, today I announce to give 5 lakh rupees compensation. And also I have spoken to our Chief Minister Biplab Dev. He also assured us. He told me on behalf of the government will give 5 lakh rupees compensation within a week. We'll give them. It is very sad to say. Recently, on 11th December, there is some strike going on. It was sponsored by NESO as well as Joint Action Committee. He also part of the movement. He went for the strike to join with the movement from this place which we call Khorang Para, which is under Tripura PS. On the way to Bormora, just away, some miscreant, some antisocial element attacked them, and he have with his friend. I was told there are a group of people, but unfortunately he was pulled out from the vehicle and he was attacked. And unfortunately on the way he was shifted to the GB hospital, and in hospital he was declared dead. It's very unfortunate, and I pray for them. I console their family. It is a very unfortunate incident. In future, I appeal to the people of this area, both tribal and non-tribal, to maintain peace and tranquility.
जों दिनै अमन मासाव जों आरो फाइनाय फेमनि परेगो जों बलायखा खा खामखा बुसिक बरक दिनै खराङाव तंमानि बलंगाव तंमानि आफनो बरक परिचय रेखा बन हा दखना बर हामजागो दिनै 11 तारिख डिसेम्बराव जों दखना बन्दा खफरो अब दिनै जॉइंट एक्शन कमिटी बरक बन्दा खफरो बननि बाय बरक थांखा बरक पाल थाङो खोनाव जों बरक थाङै दैसिनदाय बाजार सक खांखायनो बाक्सा बरक सिटारक बरनो अटैक खायखा बनो गारिनि सलाय लां थांखा अबाय खायै ब बुजाखा तक जाखा बनि परे बनो लां थांखा जीबी हॉस्पिटल आ जीबी हॉस्पिटल बनो कतहिनि पर दिक्ला रेखा